विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, आज फेरि पनि तपाईहरूलाई हेल्प गर्ने उद्देश्यले राजेश्वर पण्डित सर आउनु भएको छ। इङ्ग्लिसको कजेटिभ भर्ब उहाँले शिक्षण गर्नुहुन्छ र पुरानो भिडियो यदि हेरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने पुरानो भिडियो पनि हेर्नुहोला। लिङ्क चाहिँ यहाँ आई बटनमा आइराखेको छ, हेर्नुहोस्।
विद्यार्थीहरूलाई शैक्षिक सहयोग गर्ने उद्देश्यले बनाइएको यो हो युट्युब च्यानल बिन्दालाल सर।
ग्रामरको दोस्रो युनिटको म पोजिटिभ भर्ब चाहिँ लिएर आएको छु र बिस्तारै बिस्तारै म चाहिँ एसीको लागि 11वटा जुन ग्रामरको आइटम छ नि त्यो आइटमलाई म पुरै चाहिँ यो युट्युब मार्फत म चाहिँ हजुर समक्ष म पुर्याउने छु। ल,
कृपया सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला।
ओके, causative verbs. What is causative verb? The verb used for motivation is known as causative verbs, or simply have, make, get are called causative verbs. We read causative verb by dividing into two categories. Causative with agent and causative without agents. Let's talk about causative with agents. At first, we define agent in causative with agent. Let's, what is agent? Person who motivates to do the work is called, person who motivates to do work is called subject. It means in causative verbs the subject doesn't do any work. It means the subject motivates someone to do the work, whereas what is agent? The work that is completed, the work that is completed is called agent. So before reading causative with agent, we have to know about the subject and the agent of causative verbs. Oh, okay. Let's talk about causative with agent. We have some structures of causative verbs. Let's subject plus make, makes, made plus agent plus V1 plus object. Okay, subject plus make, makes, made plus agent plus V1 or bare infinitive plus objects. Look, I make him write a letter. Next, we make a sentence by using make verbs. Similarly, makes. Ram makes her cook food. In this sentence, the subject doesn't do any work himself or herself. It means the subject motivates agent to complete the work. Next, Ram made Sita wash clothes. This is the first structure of causative verbs. Next structure, subject plus have, has, had plus agent plus V1 plus object. Similarly, we tell it like that: subject plus have, has, had plus agent plus bare infinitive plus object. Okay, we write example in this way: I have them. Write a story. We write another sentence by using has. Ram has a servant bring a glass of water. Similarly, we write another sentence by using had. They had a worker help in their work. We write this sentence by using have, has, had plus agent plus bare infinitive plus object. We write another structure in this way: subject plus gets, got plus agent plus 2 plus V1 plus object. Okay, let's talk about another structure of causative verbs, and we make by using 3 verbs to make different type of sentence, like they get him to paint the wall. Next, we use another verbs. Ram gets a barber to cut hair. Next, we write another sentence by using got. She got a man to repair her roof. We write many more sentences by using these 3 verbs to make different type of sentence by using causative verbs. Next, we write another example by using causative without agent. Okay, causative without agent. In this sentence, there is a lack of agent. We only talk about objects. Okay, we write a structure in this way: subject plus have, has, had plus object plus V3. Subject plus has, have, had, object plus V3. As for example, we write in this way: they have a letter written. We use have verbs to make sentence. Next, Ram has a wall painted. Similarly, we write another sentence by using had verbs. He had a car bought. Look, causative without agent. We read causative verbs by dividing into 2 groups: causative with agent and causative without agent. Previously, we talk about causative with agent. Now we are talking about causative without agent. In this structure, subject plus have, has, had plus object plus V3. It means in this structure there is lack of agent. We only talk about subject plus has, have or cause verb plus object plus V3. So we write the sentence. Okay, let's talk about another structure. Subject plus get, gets, got plus agent plus 2 plus V1, 2 plus subject plus get, got plus object plus V3. Okay, we talk about subject plus get, gets, got plus object plus V3. Look, in this structure we also talk about there is a lack of agent in this structure. So we follow in this structure, we follow this structure by using we follow this structure to make different type of sentence by using these all verbs. Suppose they get a story written. We write he gets a poem composed. Similarly, we write another sentence by using get verbs. Ram got a chair painted. In this sentence, there is lack of agent in this structure. So we write many more sentences by using this all structure. Okay. We write in our AC, there are some questions come in our examination like in this way. Suppose he made her rice. She gets them okay. To cook cooks. To work walks, walk. In our essay, such type of questions are come in our examination like he made her ... rice, she get them. It means there is a blank and there is given alternative beside the question. So we have to choose the correct alternative from the bracket and put here. He made her cook rice. Similarly, she gets them to work. In this sentence, subject plus cause verb plus agent plus bare infinitive plus object, whereas subject plus gets plus them plus, it means agent plus to infinitive plus object. We write another sentence by using causative without agent. The teacher got a chair bought. The teacher got a chair bought. In our AC examination, the alternative comes in this way: by bought to by. We have to evaluate among three alternative and put here correct verbs. The teacher got a chair. It means in this structure, subject plus cause verb plus object. So we have to find out about, and we put here about. The teacher got a chair about. Such type of questions come in our essay examination, so we have to better command over causative.